Ever wonder why your fridge is making those strange noises? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind these sounds. First up, buzzing or humming. This is typically just the compressor or fan doing its job, but if you hear a rattling sound, check for loose items on top or inside the fridge. Now, let's talk about some simple DIY solutions. Ensure everything is securely placed inside and around your fridge. Cleaning the condenser coils and fan blades can also help. However, if you notice persistent clicking, grinding, or knocking, or if the noise is coupled with cooling issues, it might be time to call a professional. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these problems and prolonging your fridge's lifespan. For professional help, contact Top Appliance Repair Burnaby. We're here to keep your appliances running smoothly. Stay tuned for more tips and happy troubleshooting.